The ongoing peace talks of the Philippine government with Moro and communist groups are at risk because of the declaration of martial law in Mindanao. This according to the National Democratic Front of the Philippines. Mon Jocson explains why.
Presidential advisor on the peace process Jesus Dureza is bound for the Netherlands for the government's fifth round of peace talks with the National Democratic Front of the Philippines or NDFP. The meeting will be on May 27 to June 2. One of the topics the two sides are expected to discuss is the declaration of martial law in Mindanao.
This will be an important topic, suddenly going to be part of the agenda item. Although hindi yan naka-agenda, I'm sure they will take it up with us.
But even before the peace negotiation begins, the NDFP released a statement which denounces the proclamation of martial law. The NDFP belied the pronouncement of government chief peace negotiator Silvestre Bello III that the Communist Party of the Philippines made the wrong move when it called on the New People's Army or NPA to intensify its offensives in Mindanao. For his part, Bello clarified that the military rule will not target NPA members. But the communists argue the government cannot deny the fact that the recent declaration also targets them, saying it was Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana himself who said that the NPA is one of the reasons why martial law is declared in Mindanao. In a statement, NDFP founding chair Joe Masison has condemned the terrorist act by the Maute group and said that they will reconsider the move to conduct offensive measures as a response to what Defense Secretary Lorenzana said that the NPA is a target of the implementation of the martial law. The CPP-NPA argues that terrorist act by Maute is not a hindrance to continue the peace talks. The group also believes that they can unite to fight terrorism that targets civilians. The Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP, meanwhile, warns the communists to avoid taking part in the crisis as the military is strictly implementing the law for everyone.
If the NPA will insist to do what they want, we will enforce the law uniformly, no matter who these groups are. So if the NPA continues to violate our laws and with impunity attack our forces, then we will deal with that accordingly.
Presidential spokesperson Ernesto Abella, meanwhile, notes there is an existing deal between the government and the communist group. He says the government will abide by the conditions in the agreement and that it hopes the communist group will also do so.
We reaffirm our commitment and remain confident in winning our quest for lasting peace.
Mon Jocson, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.